Hi guys, how are you? It's Miss Lauren. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing really good too. And today I wanted to read to you a silly book. It's called Don't Push the Button. And it's pretty funny. We're going to find out what happens to Larry when we push the button. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. It says, "Hi, my name is Larry, and welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we push it. No, we can't. We mustn't. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Should we? Boop. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Boop. Eek! Now I'm yellow and I have polka dots. Push it twice. Beep, beep. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. So we have to shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. To shake it a little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch, scratch. Oh, he says that tickles. Okay, it's much better. So let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more times. The end. That was a silly book, wasn't it? I liked reading it with you guys. Well, I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk again soon. Bye!